guys, I know I said track, but this is more of a backyard track. Woke up a little bit late today and didn't make it to the real motocross track, so Drew and I are gonna rip around the desert here and get some video going. He's got a YZ250 today, so maybe we'll do some comparison videos.
Versus a CR500.
You guys swapped.
Ride review. I'm an old fucking man. I haven't touched dirt bike in 8 months. We're letting this guy ride it because he rides every other day.
The semi-pro.
Yeah. Semi-amateur. Never ridden a 500 in dirt before. So let's just put me near some cactuses and see what happens.
Oh,
Jump
God.
up to an aluminum frame 500.
Off an 03 YZ with 180 pounds of compression.
He's gonna get off and be like, "It's the best thing ever." Or he'll be like, "I just want my YZ."
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
we'll see. Until then, good luck.
What do you think?
I think for the right person, it's a great bike. For like the everyday weekend warrior, it's
a lot of bike.
It's so much. You you need the right place to ride it.
Yeah, this stuff's a little bit too loose.
Yeah.
But we gotta take it to a real track that's like loamy. We gotta get some something that'll route the horsepower, because
Yeah. I love it. It just takes a lot. It takes a lot of getting used to.
yeah.
You look more comfortable on it the longer you ride it.
Yeah.
I can't even start the thing, so.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I think it's time to big wheel it.
Yeah.
Try that out. We had our fun. Well, we honestly built this to big wheel it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and try to get more traction in this kind of terrain, make it a little bit more manageable to ride. It's way too much for out here, unless you're on that high speed road. Then it's a blast.
I guess we'll see.
Cool story. Guys, I am super tired. First off, I haven't rode a dirt bike in 7 to 8 months. I'll insert a clip of the last time I rode a CRF450R. That was in New York. This is my first ride out in the desert on a dirt bike. So man, it was a whole new experience for me. It's crazy. Drew and I pretty much were like, this is a man's bike. You gotta be in some sort of physical condition of riding to just hop on this thing and go. I mean, it's a freaking beast, guys. It's unbelievable. So I think because of the type of riding we have here, we're just gonna turn it into a big wheel and experiment with that. That's why we built this bike. We wanna do that anyway. So we also wanna promote our big wheel kits. So stay tuned, I guess, for 2021 big wheel CR500. It's gonna be happening pretty much probably this week. So stay tuned, guys. Again, appreciate all the support, appreciate all the follows, the likes, the shares. You guys are the best. Thank you.